हेलो फ्रेंड्स, थर्ड वीडियो के साथ में मिल रहे हैं। वेक्टर फॉर्म, Coulomb's law in the vector form. So my dear friends, there are given some figures. The figure q1 and q2 both are the positive and both are the some nearest distance r, and there are the unit vector r12 and r21. r12 is the unit vector in the direction from the q1 to q2, and r21 is the unit vector in the direction from q2 to q1. So my dear friends, first force F21, the force on the charge Q2 due to Q1, Q2 charge due to Q1, then the force are create F21. So write down the Coulomb's law, the 1 upon 4 pi E naught Q1 Q2 upon R square, and R unit vector is the 12. Not write here the 21, write only 12, and the force are the 21. So R unit vector 12 is the unit vector in the direction from q1 to q2, and similarly the second force at 12, the force on the charge q1 due to q2. So now apply the Coulomb's law. F12 1 upon 4 pi E naught q1 q2 r square, and r cap is the 21. So again r cap 21 is the unit vector in the direction from q2 to q1. What is the conclusion? Why do I write the Coulomb's law in the vector form? So conclusion is the very simply the r21 is equal to minus r12 is the r2 minus r1 is equal to minus r1 minus r2. It means this concept is to obey Newton's third law. Newton's third law equal and opposite direction. So that the force 21 is equal to and minus is equal to and opposite F12. And second point is the comparing the electrostatic force and gravitational force. My dear friends, gravitational force is the read in the class 11. So Fg is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, and electrostatic force K q1 q2 upon r square. So both are comparing. So F is the directly proportional 1 upon r square, and second F is the directly proportional q1 q2, or F is the directly proportional to the product of the mass q1, product of the mass m1 and m2. Third point, both force is central force. And fourth point, both force is conservative force. Conservative force, it means conservation law. Conservation law is the it is create not a destroy concept are creating the conservative force. Some numerical are based of the Coulomb's law theory. So first question is the electrostatic force of the repulsion between two positive charged ions carrying a equal charge is 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 9 Newton when they are separate by a distance of 5 angstrom. R is equal to 5 angstrom. It means 1 angstrom's value 10 to the power minus 10 meter, the 5 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. How many electrons are missing from each ion? It means find out the number of electrons. So my dear friends, first applying formula, the Coulomb's force, the F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi E naught q1 q2 upon r square. Okay, and both force q1 q2 are the same value. So q1 and q2 are the q, and 1 upon 4 pi E naught value is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square Coulomb minus 2. So write here this value 3.7 10 to the power minus 9, 9 into 10 to the power 9, and q into q, and r value is the 5 into 10 to the power minus 10 square. Okay, so cross multiplication, and their value is the 25 into 10 to the power minus 20, and 9 into 10 to the power 9 q square. Solve this value. So q square is equal to 3.7 into 10 की power minus 9 into 20 into 10 की power 20 upon 9 into 10 की power 9. Some value are given, so find out the q square is value. The q square is the value is the 10.28 into 10 की power minus 38, and q value is the q value. Now the some roots 10.28 10 की power minus 38, so value is the 3.2 into 10 की power 3.2 and 10 की power minus के 19 coulomb. Okay, now applying the quantized charge q is equal to any value, q is equal to ne. So n is equal to q upon e. E is the mass of electron, is the value is the mass of charge of mass, so value is the 1.6 10 की power minus के 19, and q is value 3.2 into 10 की power minus 19 and 1.6 on 10 की power minus के 19. So 19 10 की power minus 19 10 की power minus 19 are cancelled out and both are decimal are removed. So 32 upon 16 and 16 की टेबल से यदि 32 को कट किया जाए 2 टाइम्स इनकी मिसिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वैल्यू n इज इक्वल टू 2. ओके डियर्स, इसको आप राइट डाउन कर दीजिए. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन, ए फ्री पिथ बॉल ए of 8 gram carrying a positive charge of the 5 into 10 की power 8 coulomb. First ball A, there are the given charge q1. q1 is the value 5 into 10 की power 8 coulombs, and mass ball mass m1 is the 8 gram. 8 gram is convert the kilogram, so 8 into 10 की power minus 3 kg. Okay, and what must be the nature and magnitude of the charge that should be given to a second pitch ball be fixed at the 5 centimeter. Ball B is the distance 5 centimeter from A below the former ball, so that the upper ball is stationary. Okay, this value is the find out the q2 value, q2 charge value. It means charge B, it means B ball charge find out. So first of all write here this value, and force, electrostatic Coulomb's force and weight force both are equal and opposite, both are equal, so 1 upon 4 pi E naught q1 q2 upon r square is equal to m1g. My dear friends, m1g is the weight. It means force weight F is equal to mg, and Newton's second law F is equal to ma base. So write here this value 9 into 10 की power 9, q's value 5 into 10 की power minus 8, and q2 is the find out, and r value is the 0.05 square, and mass value 8 into 10 की power minus 3, and z value 9.8. So cross multiplication, and the q values is the 8 into 10 की power minus 3 into 9.8 into 0.05 square upon 9 into 10 की power 9 and 5 into 10 की power minus 8. So this value are solved out, and then the find out the q2 value is the approximately 4.36 into 10 की power minus 7 coulomb. Okay my dear friends, so second questions are also solved out. See, start. Friends, second topic, the charging by induction. Charging by induction is the main point of the induction. Induction it means any source point are connected into empty metal source, and metal source से यदि उसको कनेक्ट करेंगे तो यदि पॉजिटिव चार्ज से सोर्स ऑफ पॉइंट पॉजिटिव चार्ज है तो ऑटोमेटिकली जो मेटल के जो सोर्स है वो ऑटोमेटिकली जस्ट अपोजिट चार्ज को क्रिएट करते हैं, और जस्ट अपोजिट चार्ज को जो क्रिएट करने का जो प्रोसेस है, दिस मेथड इज द कॉल्ड इंडक्शन. सो सी इन योर माय board, there are the four figures are in your screen. The first figure is the two sphere A and B, and stand is the insulated. Both are the empty. Second figure you can see the some positive charge, source of point positive charge nearest A, मेटल ए एंड मेटल ए के नियरेस्ट में यदि पॉजिटिव चार्ज ले जाएंगे तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज से इंडक्शन मेथड से नेगेटिव चार्ज क्रिएट होगा, वो स्पेयर ए पर होगा, एंड सिमिलरली जस्ट अपोजिट चार्ज क्रिएट होगा सेकेंड एंड पॉइंट पर, वो पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्रिएट होगा। सी इन फिगर बी। Figure C is the very interesting figure because sphere A and sphere B both are the sum separate by and source are already stay there, and sphere A and sphere B both are the separated. Then you can see for negative charge is randomly separated, randomly distributed in the sphere A, and positive charge is the randomly distributed in the sphere B. And figure C you can see source of point are removed, then the sphere A is the totally negative charge and sphere B is the totally positive charge. It means यदि किसी एम्प्टी स्फीयर को किसी सोर्स ऑफ पॉइंट से कनेक्ट करेंगे तो जस्ट अपोजिट चार्ज को क्रिएट करेगा और अपोजिट चार्ज को क्रिएट करेगा और वो रैंडमली उसके अंदर जो है रैंडमली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होंगे। यदि उसके पास में अदर कोई एम्प्टी चार्ज को या एम्प्टी स्फीयर को ले जाएंगे तो वो भी जस्ट अपोजिट चार्ज को क्रिएट कर लेगा। दिस बेस पर चार्जिंग बाय इंडक्शन के बेस पर ही एक मैं न्यूमेरिकल आपके सामने लेके आ रहा हूँ। थर्ड वाला न्यूमेरिकल जो आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स में मैंने दे रखा है। सपोज ए sphere A and sphere B in a identically size A and third sphere of the same size but the unchanged is the brought in the contact with the first, then brought in the contact with the second, in the finally removed from both. What is the new force of the repulsive between A and B? So my dear, first A charge, A sphere and C sphere both are some distance. Q is the value, it means Q charge are given, and here is the Q is equal to 0 यानी empty, and Q's value, standard value Q is the value 6.5 to 10 की power minus के 7 coulomb. Okay my dear friends, now induction method are applied. It means charge Q are distributed A and C, and A and C there is the charge half and there is charge half, both are positive and negative. Now again value sphere A Q by 2 and second any sphere C is the half, and there is the A B value B sphere is the Q. Then again charging by induction, then the both are connected B and C, and B and C both are connected, then create some value Q by 4 and 3Q by 4, because both are adding and half, so both are adding and half, to Q plus Q by 2 upon half, so 1 upon a half, and there is the LCM is the 3Q by 2, and each of sphere is the value 3Q by 4. Okay my dear friends, understood? And next line, the A is equal to Q by 2 and B is equal to value is the 3Q by 4. They are the sum distance, and there are the sum distance, so some distance value are created there. Now F is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. Now put this value, so F is equal to this value, F is equal to the K value 9 to 10 की power 9. Okay my dear friends, 9 to 10 की power 9, and into Q1 value is the Q value is the Q by 2 and 3Q by 4 upon R value is the 1 value. Okay, so F is equal to 9 to 10 की power 9 into there is the value is the there 3 by 8 and Q value is value 6.7 10 की power minus 7 and solve this value. The force value is the approximately 5.7 10 की power minus 7 into 10 की power minus 3 10 की power minus 3 newtons. Okay, so this question is the base of the charging by induction method. So solve out this method, write down